Stunning renovation in the sought-after community of Wilmington Park. This stately 5-bedroom and 3.5-bathroom home gives your family plenty of room to enjoy. As you walk in, you'll notice the beautiful white oak floors and an abundance of natural light gleaming through the windows and doors. The heart of the home lies in the gorgeous kitchen with stainless steel appliances, oversized island and adorable backsplash. You will find the primary suite on the main floor in addition to 2 guest bedrooms. The laundry room and additional office space are also on the main level. Upstairs will have 2 oversized bedrooms, a full bathroom and a walk-in attic that could be finished to create even more space for your family. The lot is huge and you have views of hole number 7 at the Country Club golf course. There is also a small fenced-in dog run.